Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the other day I posted a poll on my Instagram story and I asked you guys what kind of look you guys want me to do, and I gave you 4 options. So the first option, I asked you guys if you guys wanted an all pink eye look or an all green eye look and a smoky eye look or a color smoky eye look. And the most votes was for the smoky eye look. So today, my loves, I will be showing you how to create a smoky eye look, and I am super excited because I haven't done any smoky eye look in this video besides the green smoky eyes that I did like couple of months ago, but I haven't completely do a black eyeshadow, and I'm super excited. And before we start this video, my loves, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now, and also hit the bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows already and already concealed my lid. So now we are ready to go ahead and do the smoky eyes. Today I will be using this baby right here, which is the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette, and this is how it looks. I will be using these 2 colors right here at the bottom. This is a brown shade and this is the black shade. So for my transition eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this baby right here. This is called Hi Dude. This is like a brownish eyeshadow. So you can apply any brown eyeshadow into your lids as your transition color. And going on with my e.l.f. fluffy brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that shade. And I'm going to start applying it right here as a transition color. I actually haven't used this color and it looks so pretty. Oh my goodness guys, this is the most pigmented brow eyeshadow I ever seen. Okay guys, so now that shadow is packed, I'm gonna go ahead with a lighter shade, and using the Morphe palette, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is like a lighter brow, and I'm going to basically buff out the edge of the shade. So now that I finished blending in, I'm gonna go with the darkest shade ever, which is the black shadow from this palette. And the name of the shade is called Fast Lane. And grabbing a clean brush, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into that shade. And I first want to start in my outer corner. And then slowly going in. So this is how the smoky eyes is coming out, and I'm gonna go off camera very quickly to do this part of the eyes, and I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so now that I did both of my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. Okay guys, so I went ahead and already applied my lashes, and this is how the eyes is coming out. So now what I'm gonna do is do the rest of my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my primer. Today I will be using the Maybelline Master Prime primer. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with my sponge because my hands is kind of dirty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. Today I will be using this baby right here, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. And this is the shade 445 Vanilla. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. You guys have seen me wear this all the time. And this is the shade Cashmere 360. And using my e.l.f. blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and dissolve this concealer. And now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm gonna be using the Airspun Loose Powder. And I'm gonna go ahead and add an eyeshadow on my under eyes. I'm gonna go with the black color, which is Fast Lane. And I'm just going to start applying it right here. And then grabbing High Dude, I'm gonna go ahead and smudge my black color. And now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. I'm gonna be using this baby right here, which is the Butter Bronzer. And then grabbing my contour stick, I'm gonna be using the NYX Wonder Stick. And I'm just going to quickly contour my face. And now I'm going to quickly contour my nose. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let that powder sit for like a minute or so. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush. Today I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me blush, which is the shade Rose. And grabbing my blush brush, I'm going to grab some products. And I'm just going to apply it right in the apples of my cheeks. Do you guys notice the difference? Like this side of the cheeks is more elevated than this one. So adding blush definitely makes a difference in your cheeks. And now grabbing our clean brush, I'm gonna remove the powder. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I definitely want a nude lips for this smoky eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use this baby right here. This is the Morphe lipstick, and I absolutely love this lipstick because it is super nude, super creamy, and so nice. Okay my loves, so the last step I'm gonna do is spray the side of my face so that way I apply my highlighter. And using my Morphe x Jeffries setting spray, I'm gonna spray the side of my face. Then using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my black eyeliner, and then I'm gonna do my lower lash because I almost forgot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now. Okay guys, so now our face is already complete, and this is how this makeup came out. I'm going to spray my face. And that is it my loves. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this baby, do my hair very quickly, and I'll be right back with you guys in a second. I am back and this is the final look of the smoky eyes. Honestly guys, I've been a little bit scared to do a smoky eyes because you do use a lot of dark colors such as brown and black, but doing this eyeshadow definitely step up my comfort zone, and I think that I will be creating more smoky eyes because it does shape your eyes real nice. This look is so beautiful, guys. The brown eyeshadow, oh my god, that one had a lot of pigmented. And I really love that that is the transition color that I chose to put on. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment down below if there's any eye looks that you want me to do, and I will happily and gladly make it happen, my loves. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now. Hit that bell notification so that way you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. And without any further ado, my loves, I'll see you guys in my next video.